Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. We have the new Delano Tool Roll from Tusk. This was made for the adventure rider. We know from all the years that we had been adventure riding, we know that first and foremost, you've got to have tools with you on your ATV rides. Look, it wouldn't be an adventure if everything went right, so you've got to be prepared. And so we built this to make sure that it's going to be able to haul, for us, all the tools that we feel necessary that you would need on a ride. So this is made from a nice heavy-duty 600 denier fabric. Got a nice big carry handle right here. It's 11 inches wide when I have it rolled up like this. Got some reflectivity here. But we'll open this up and show you everything on the inside. So starting out here to my far right, you're gonna have just this little mesh pocket. And when we were designing and building this, we wanted to make sure that you had enough slots, again, elastic webbing, things like that, to carry everything that we felt was necessary on your ride. So you've got a ton of elastic webbing. One of the features that you don't realize how nice it is until you use it is this little magnetic strip right here in the middle. So if you have nuts and bolts you're taking off your bike, you can put them there and you don't have to worry about losing those. Then you've got all your slots here for open end wrenches, plus some elastic webbing on top of that. Then down here at the end, you actually have these two pouches which are removable. And inside those, awesome places to put any other items that you want to. It's nice that they are removable, so if you need to grab one of those and carry it a little bit, it's very easy to do that. Or if you're not going to be using these, you can remove those, save a little bit of space, and this thing's going to pack up or roll up even tighter. Now, let me point this out. This thing is awesome if you're organizing your toolkit, but if you're just starting out and you're looking to put together an adventure toolkit for the first time and you're not quite sure if you have all the tools that are needed, or maybe you might have all the tools that are in your shop, but you don't want to just take everything out of your toolbox or whatever, we actually have an adventure tool kit that comes with the Delano Tool Roll and all the tools that we have hand selected to include. It's all the items that we feel you would need, at one point or another to fix just about anything you can imagine on your adventure ride. So if you want just a one-stop shop and just get a full, complete toolkit for your next ride, check that thing out. It is awesome. Even with that, you can still add additional items to this if you did want to, but I love the idea of just having a toolkit that stays on your adventure bike at all times, not something where you're taking tools, you're putting them back in your garage, then you have to go find them again for your next ride. You just buy that kit, everything stays in here. You don't worry about touching it until you need it on your ride. But if you have questions or comments about the Delano Tool Roll, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one of these or to see that ATV tool kit, just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. If you want to stay up to date on cool products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.